Now, hi, I'm Will Smalley, and this might seem a bit strange, but the object I chose for this speech is a empty plastic bottle. Now, this represents every thought, action, and dream I've ever had. Seems strange, right? The story about how I got this bottle is pretty funny, actually. I was thirsty a couple of days ago, so I headed down to the Raider Grill, and I saw this refrigerator full of cold drinks, and I saw this bottle, and in it, I saw my reflection, my past, my present, and my future. It just reminds me so much of myself, full of tea and life. Uh, Now, this might this story sounds strange, right? But I guarantee you, it's a first-hand experience I've had. It's incredibly credible and completely truthful. So, well, while writing the speech, I've grown fond of this bottle. It means so much to me, and I'm gonna be really sad when I throw it away in an hour because I just relate to it so much. One of the ways I relate to it is this nutrition label on the back. The amount of calories it says is 120 per serving. Now, this is obviously the 2,000 calories per day that we're supposed to have. And to me, this sort of represents the idea of every day for myself, I set a goal for myself. It doesn't have to be anything big. Maybe it's just like doing homework, going to the gym, eating well, sleeping well, things like that. This sort of helps me feel like I'm doing things, I'm completing things. I'm not just floating through life, I'm actually moving forward. Another part of the label that I relate to so much is the percent daily value. This part just shows how much of each sort of big nutrient we have is in it that we need per day. There's two parts that I like to mention. The vitamin C in this is 160% of what we need. To me, this is represents too much of a good thing is a bad thing. For me, this is probably oversleeping. I routinely miss breakfast every day, which is probably an issue, but I'm working on it. And one day, it might even lead to me missing class, and I don't want any part of that. Uh, Another part of this bottle that represents me is the reflection on it, the light. If I hold it close to my face, I can see myself. This shows me that I can see myself from other people's point of view, how I present myself and how my actions affect them, which is a bit different than how I normally reflect upon my actions. If I hold it far away from myself, this sort of represents to me the future. I can't see myself in it. I don't know where I'm going to be in the future. However, what I do know is the actions that I can do today can always affect my future. For instance, I can pull the bottle closer and I can see myself. Incredible. While other people might struggle to relate to a piece of trash, I honestly find no issue. Uh, Now, it might seem a bit self-deprecating to relate to a piece of trash, but honestly, I had a lot of fun with this project. I don't really have an object that means anything significant to me, so I decided to just do a bottle, and I had a lot of fun with it. Uh, I really feel like now the bottle doesn't always completely represent me, obviously, but I really feel like the speech and how much I worked on it and sort of the idea that went behind it really represents me better than an object ever really can. Yeah.